Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to protect a PDF with a password on a PC in 2026. So if you want to keep your PDF files private and stop other people from opening them, this guide will help you secure them step by step. First, open the PDF you want to protect using a PDF editor or online PDF tool. Make sure the document is finalized before adding security. Next, find the Protect or Encrypt PDF option. So this feature lets you lock the document with a password. Now enter a strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols. I mean, stronger passwords keep your files safer. So save the secured PDF file to your PC. After saving, the document will require the password every time it's opened. Next, close and reopen the PDF to test it. Make sure the password prompt appears correctly. Finally, keep your password somewhere secure. So if you forget it, recovering the protected PDF can be very difficult. And that's how to protect a PDF with a password on a PC in 2026. Once you secure your documents properly, your private information stays protected from unauthorized access. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more PDF and security tutorials.